Desjardins Lawyers, your Canadian immigration law firm. The Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit. Here's another option for business people who wish to immigrate to Canada. The Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit. What is the Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit? First, the owner-operator is you, the business immigrant. Second, LMIA means Labor Market Impact Assessment. Business immigrants who are interested in investing in Canada by establishing their own business or by buying an existing business may get an LMIA assessment, as long as the prospective business project demonstrates clear benefits for the Canadian economy. No Canadians with the required set of skills are available to fill the position offered by the business immigrant. This is why we call it the Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit. The Canadian government tends to look favorably on skilled foreign nationals coming to Canada to establish a viable business. The foreign national is seen to be bringing their valuable skills and experience. Their business will contribute positively to the Canadian labor market by creating jobs for Canadians and stimulating the economy. If a business presented by the owner-operator appears viable and likely to have a positive impact on the Canadian economy, the business person will be invited to move forward in establishing the business and relocating themselves and their family to Canada on a work permit basis. Business immigrants must submit business plans demonstrating that they will play a key role in managing the business and that the business has the potential to grow and create jobs for Canadians. Qualified business professionals who obtain an Owner-Operator LMIA are potentially eligible to receive up to 250 additional points towards their Federal Comprehensive Ranking System CRS score. That's a lot of points, which may place them at the top of the pool of candidates for express entry, and virtually maximize the possibility for the candidate to receive an invitation to apply for Canadian permanent residence within Canadian Experience class of the Express Entry stream. This makes the Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit a highly attractive option. What are the requirements? 1. You must have a provable business management background. 2. You must have completed at least a high school degree. 3. Your language level in French or English must be intermediate, being at least 5 on a scale of 10. 4. You need to start your own business or be a majority shareholder of an eligible Canadian business in which you will invest a minimum of 100,000 Canadian dollars. Based on your business management background, Desjardins Lawyers will assess your options and determine the best suitable scenario amongst the following. 1. Start your own business. We will assist you in developing your business idea. 2. Become a majority shareholder of an active Canadian company. We will share with you existing business opportunities. 3. Buy a Canadian franchise. We will submit to your attention a list of available and admissible Canadian franchises. In summary, the Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit is a work permit first with the Canadian Immigration Authorities. Your Canadian permanent residency application under the Express Entry can be filed after 12 months of business operation in Canada. Contact your Desjardins Lawyers Immigration Coordinator today if you're interested to apply under the Owner-Operator LMIA Work Permit, or write to us at info@desjardinslawyers.com.